This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today's Thursday, August 19th, 2010. And today we're going to take a look at Manhattan Scientifics. This is a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading their ticker MHTX. This is a 6-month chart. If you scroll back farther, you'd actually see that there was a large spike, and it's kind of been trickling down in a downtrend ever since. This is a chart that I would say is on radar, close radar, for several different reasons. See that we look like we're trying to iron out a bottom here. Like I say, if you took a longer look at this, it looks like it's trying to take on a little rounded look. This MACD divergence, about ready to break through zero, always referred to as the money line. You're looking for the MACD to break through that. It's going right along with a positive divergence with the PPS trending down. Kind of a pinch here. Back several months ago, offset a little bit. The peaks and valleys didn't come right together, but we're seeing the PPO also with a nice trend. That would be drawing it pretty well. I want to make the point that this is in a nice uptrend, about ready to break through zero. ADX is in a nice position for it to try and make a larger move. This positive DI down low, you want to see this make a pop. You want to see this momentum of the downtrend come to an end, and see this this directional index. We want to see this lose some steam, start coming back down, show some strength to it. The MFIs are all nice and neat together. See that the 7's actually got a little bit of a turn down, but the 14 and 21 have been in an uptrend for the last couple weeks. This 7, obviously, it whipsaws, it moves a lot quicker. This can turn back up. If this turns back up, we're going to have all three of them pointing up in a nice direction. Accumulation distribution. Nice uptrend to it. Go back and see where that correlates. It's kind of flatline. The PPS has kind of been in a channel, while the accumulation distribution has been in a nice uptrend. Shaking money flow, holding the green very well, holding over zero. Hasn't even spent a great deal of time down below, down in the negative numbers. The CCI is getting up a little high. This is where I'm kind of a bottom trader for the most part, so I look for it when it's down low and the break back through negative 100. A lot of momentum traders, use zero, and some even use the break of 100 as some momentum getting behind it. Full stow is kind of in the same position, a nice uptrend to it. Getting a little high. It's basically saying that it needs to make a move here in the near future and hold this up high. You want to see it hold over 50 to maintain a bullish chart area. Tricks, kind of similar to the PPO. I just want to put this on here. There's the uptrend line if you want to draw it perfectly, but I want to make the point that it's in a solid uptrend, heading towards zero, getting pretty close to it. Something you look for in a reversal. That's why this chart is on radar, to try and make a move. The RSIs, all in a nice position, but it's given this head fake before, with trying to break through 50, which again, over 50 is bullish, several times right in that area. Had a little bit of trouble with the longer terms getting through it, but several times it's given a head fake that this might be time to make a move. I think the keys to this chart lie in the candles. You want to see right through there at 067 is a pretty solid area of resistance. This is what we're going to look for to fall. One of the big things I like about this is all these moving averages tucked right together. You can see 64, 64, 64, 63, 3, 64. All tucked right together. When they start trending together like that, they tend to not stay all nice and neat tucked together like that for a long time. So we're going to look for this to try and make a move. Right now, trading on the upper side of the 20, which puts it on the upper side of the Bollinger Bands. This has a potential of a breakout and a solid uptrend to be established based on these long-term lower indicators. The chart also has a little bit of a triangle look to it. Now we'll put this trend line right around through there. See, it actually is trying to make higher lows. It's in a bit of a channel recently. We'll put something through here, along these lines, where it's actually been kind of basically channeling between 6 and this 6-7 area for the last couple months. Little pops outside of it down to 5.5, but this is the resistance point we're looking for to fall. It's on close radar because of these indicators. See volume at 167,000, about average. We'd like to see that pick back up, get a little bit of a spike that's going to try and break through, and that's what we're going to be looking for. This is Andy with Quality Stocks, taking a look at MHTX.